Welcome to Sabtong Zirna. Now we have gone to show some conversation. What is your point of view? I would really appreciate your view. Do you have any idea? Have you got any thought on this? What is your opinion? What do you think of my new shoe? Do you have any view on this? I would like to hear your opinion on that problem. Up to that much privilege